Bukan.
iPad jangan lupa sih.
Iya. Oh, kind of.
So cool. Alright guys, there we go. We have some zip lines right down here. They're run by the company next to us. You guys can do afterwards. Have you guys been to the Royal Gorge today at all? I'd say it's yes.
Climbing through 7,200 for 8,500. Tracking west along the river, we're going to overfly the gorge, Fremont.
Fremont County helicopter 778 Tango Lima, doing helicopter tours over the Royal Gorge. We'll stay about 7,500 below.
How's the winds over the gorge today?
Absolutely awesome, nice and calm.
Right on.
Fremont County traffic, skydive, 8481 Zulu, 5 minutes jump run. Hey, manifest, 81 Zulu.
I heard the 5, thank you.
I don't know if you guys were here before or after the fire, but back in 2013 there was a fire. Started on the south side of the rim. And it burned about 3,000 acres, destroyed the whole visitor center of everything from the Royal Gorge. They ended up having to replace about 200 planks.
So cool.
I'm sorry? The bridge? Yeah, we'll head over there in a little bit. Yeah.